Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me in fulfilling my channel's mission, which is to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 to Nevada and California as we make our way further west in Nebraska from North Platte to Ogallala. Along the way, we'll continue traveling along the Platte River and finally cross into the mountain time zone around Paxton. Also included in this video, of course, are lots of facts about our route and Nebraska as well as a trivia question. This video will mark the end of day one, in which I almost drove 1,000 miles with the last 875 miles available for you to catch up on in the playlist in the description. This trip will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places like lonely US 50 in Nevada, a scenic byway with an expensive nickname, 3 national parks, and of course my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today, I hope this video earns me your subscription so you can join me on my adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and in between new videos, it would be awesome if you could check out other videos from this or my 3 other 4,000 mile plus western road trips so you can compare how things have changed, or better yet, help you plan your adventure through here. Lastly, the video description has a ton of information that is helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways you can help make more videos like these possible, so make sure to check it out. So now that that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the Cornhusker state of Nebraska. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and supporting me with a super thanks comment. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue west on I-80 in the state of Nebraska, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.